I'm not sure how this is going to show up, but as you can see right here, this thing is bowed in a couple of inches. It's bent in up here, it's bent down there. I just kind of don't think that's supposed to be that way, but I'll tell you, getting this thing back and repairing it's a stinking mess. Okay, I'm at Tec Grills in Augusta, Georgia. They just loaded me up with a brand new grill, and then they gave me some other accessories for my inconvenience. These people have been extremely cooperative and very nice. I'm headed back to Alpharetta with my brand new grill. See you later. Well, the saga of the Tec Grill is over with. I have successfully cooked my jerky, and I'm going to close it up because it's starting to rain, and I think everything's fine. I'm satisfied. We're running good.